everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Deb J's and Neha's birthday celebration hop. This celebration hop is going to be from the 13th of November to the 20th of November. So you have a week, I guess, a week and a few days to view everyone's special projects that they made for this birthday celebration. So y'all, we have some fantastic participants in this hop, and just to let you know, Deb J is right after me, so I will have her link and all the links down below. So if you start here, you can go ahead and just start with her or me, and then go to her, and then onwards. So anyway, I want to go ahead and also include that there are many sponsors for this YouTube hop, and you must comment. The more that you comment, the more chances you have to win a prize, okay? So the sponsors we have are several. We have Stampin Munchkins, and that is a $25 gift card. Tailor Made Cards for You has a $10 gift card. Spellbinders, a $25. Pear Blossom Press is a $25. Erin Reed Makes is 2 gift cards for $10. And Scrappy Tails is a $25. Crescent Creations has a $25 gift card. Cat Scrappiness has a birthday prize pack. Dixon Creative has a $25 gift card to MayMay Made It. Create with Me has a prepaid 1-month subscription to their paper pumpkin card kits. So you all, the more you comment, the more chances you have to win. And also, some channels may be giving away their own prizes. So for me, I will be giving away a $20 gift card to Amazon, okay? So you have some Christmas money to spend. So the other thing I want to say is everything will be down in the description box below for all the information on this hop, okay? And then, let's see here. I think that is about it, you guys. I have a little script here that I wrote out, and I'm just trying to make sure that everything is good to go, so that I'm saying everything. So anyway, you want to go ahead, and to win the prizes, you want to watch everyone's channel, and you want to comment, okay? And so let's go ahead and get started. So for my project, I'm going to be using Coffee Vibes by Kim Murray, who is Salty Beach Scrapper. She designed this paper for me, and I just love how she put this paper collection together. It is so beautiful, you guys. It's so relaxing and serene, and if you're a coffee lover and you read books, then you will definitely like this paper. I love that there is over 40 pages in this collection, including the ephemera. So you can do lots of things with this paper. You can do like maybe a book journaling book. You can make a mini album. You can do cards with this paper collection, and I just love all of the script writing and everything that she put in it. So I hope that you guys check it out. I will have her link to the store down below. All right, y'all, so for my project, I'm going to use this cake die. It is by Midodo Craft, or Midodo Crafts. And so I saw this cake die over at AliExpress, and I just had to have it. It is so stinking cute. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. Okay, y'all, so there is the picture of the little cake, and then on the package there is a YouTube channel that you can go to view the tutorial on how to put your cake together, okay? And you will need to cut out 2 of the scallop large circles, 2 of the medium scallop circles, and then 2 for the small. And then you will need the regular circles. You will need 2 regular large circles, 2 regular small circles, and then 2 of the small again. So be careful when you cut out, because the dies are very thin and they do bend, and that's what I was explaining to you earlier. For these 2 dies that are that one right there, and then there's a little tiny another one that has scallop edges on it, you will need to cut 6 of each one, okay? Now those 6 pieces are actually for the large cake, okay? And then you'll cut some other ones for the small and the medium cake, okay? And this die right here, those 2 dies, okay, please cut those on a 60 to 80 pound cardstock. Do not cut them with 100 pound or greater, because it's very hard to cut out, okay? So for the large scallops, okay, or for all of the scallop pieces, you may want to do those in a pattern paper, and that's okay. I went ahead and recut those out and placed mine on pattern paper. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put these together, and you're just going to go ahead and place glue on the tab and then hook 3 of those pieces together with the kind of like teeth looking borders there, okay? Okay, and next we're going to go ahead and do the same for the scallop pieces. You're going to go ahead and attach 3 of those pieces together, and you're going to do one for the top and one for the bottom. So I'm putting the ones with the teeth together again, and then you're going to do another one of the scallops together. Okay, once you're done putting those 3 together, then you're going to go ahead and hook the ends together and to make a circle, okay? And then we're going to attach those onto the base of our circle. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put those teeth on the inside of the circle, okay? And just like I'm doing here. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and place glue around the inside edge of your circle, and then you're just going to butt that circle up to the edge of your paper circle, okay, and go ahead and press those little teeth into the glue. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just making sure that my circle with the teeth are butt up to the edge of the paper circle, the bottom part. Now this is how you're going to put together all of your cakes. So your large one, your medium one, and your small one are all going to be put together the same way. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out the large scallop circle and just placed that right in the bottom of the large circle. Okay, so once you get both of your scalloped strips put together, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to place those on the inner side of your large circle, okay? And you're only going to do this for the bottom piece of your circle, your large cake piece, okay? And then I went ahead and kind of, as you see, I just kind of like made mine kind of curl a little bit, so that way they would go inside a little bit better. When you place your little strips inside, see where your little tabs meet? You want to place those on your on the inside circle where the seam is, okay? So the seams all match up, okay? And same thing with the other second piece of that strip there, okay? That second strip is going to be about 1/4 of an inch adhered to the inner strip, okay? So you're going to put one strip down like I'm doing here, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and place your glue on all the way around the inner circle and just lay that in there. Make sure your strips line up with the seams, okay? And then your second scalloped strip, you're going to go ahead and place that about 1/4 of an inch down, okay? So that way you have about 1/2 inch sticking up from the other scalloped strip, okay? So here I'm placing the glue, like see on the edge, almost on the edge of that scalloped strip that we already placed inside, and you want to place that about, like I said, 1/4 inch down, okay? You don't want to place the whole thing on the bottom part of the other strip, so you have like a lip hanging over, okay? So, or hanging above the other scallop strip. Does that make sense? I am so glad that there's a visual for you guys, because I'm not sure. I hope that you guys are following along. Now once you get the top and bottom done, you can definitely stick them together, and it is a little bit frustrating, or I should say time consuming, because the scallops on the bottom piece kind of, you know, they kind of peek out and don't let the top fit on properly. But once you take the lid off and on, it does conform and everything fits together really nice. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cut out the scripted coffee paper from the collection, and I went ahead and did the scallops, the medium scallops inside of the top and bottom of the cake. And then the strips that I'm doing on the inside, those are cut at 3 1/4, okay? So if you wanted your strips on the outside and the inside of your cake, you can definitely cut those down. What I also wanted to let you know is for your medium cake, you will need 2 strips of the teeth kind of strips. Put those together. So you actually need 4 of them, 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. And then you'll need 4 of the scalloped ones that you're going to layer on top of each other on the inside there. Okay, and then for the smaller cake, you need 1 set of the teeth strip and then 1 of the scalloped strips for your, or 2 of the scalloped strips for your bottom of your cake. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to let y'all know. All right, you guys, so we have all 3 of our cake boxes done, and they are so cute. I absolutely love how they are turning out. And I used the script paper for the inside of that one. That one I didn't do yet, but I'm going to work on that one. And so yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut out all of the pieces that I'm going to decorate. I cut out a large scallop for the top, and same with the medium and the small one. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out my large scallop top of my cake, and I just went ahead and popped that down, and just making sure that it's burnished in really good. Now it does come with icing little dies, so I went ahead and put those through my Xyron, and so they would stick a little bit better. I did add glue around the edge of the cake though, to just make sure that they stuck on there pretty good. And I just lined those up on the edge of the cake, but I went ahead and took those off because I remembered I wanted the little tan strips that I have above there. I wanted those around the cake to kind of look like it was a brown cake. so I cut those at about 3 1/4 inches. So and those go on the top and bottom of each cake that I am going to make. So, and then I went ahead and added the frosting on top of the little brown strips. So it looks really super cute. I did ink the icing a little bit with the pink ink, and yeah, so they looked really super good on there. And this is how I did all 3 of the little cake boxes. I just went ahead and decorated them pretty much all the same. So just get your glue, and I just went around the top of the edge of that, and then laid down the icing right across there. Again, for my strips, I cut them at 3 1/4 inches, and then I used a combination of score tape on the back of the strips and glue just to secure them down. So I hope that helps you guys when you go ahead and make one of these cakes. They're so cute. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on this cute little decorative heart strip, and this is so cute. And again, this comes with the little die set, and it just goes right on top of that little brown strip there, and that goes on the bottom part. So I just thought that those were so cute, and so I went ahead and decorated all 3 of them, the cake boxes, with that decorative heart strip. These are turning out so cute. I just love how this large cake looks, and I'm definitely going to do the middle one and the smaller one just the same. Alrighty, so I went ahead and decided to put a doily on top of the cake box, and I just thought that looked so cute. And then I'm adding some flowers that I had in my stash on top of the doily, but when I got all the flowers on, the little cake box didn't fit in the middle like I wanted it to, so I had to take off all of the little flowers, and I had to cut them off since I already hot glued them on. So that's what I'm doing here. I thought I'd go ahead and share my mistake with you guys. Okay, so once I got all the flowers off, I went ahead and stuck the middle box up on top again. And then what I did is I went ahead and I kept it there while I hot glued on the flowers. So I figured that would be much easier than trying to take them off or trying to guess on where I needed to place them. So I just went ahead and where I took them off, I already had hot glue kind of like on there, so I just used that same spot and just kind of covered it up a little bit with the hot glue and the flowers. So okay, so I got all the flowers on top of the large one, and now I'm going to decorate the middle one, and then we're going to go ahead and place flowers on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the small one as well. So I can't wait till it's all done, you guys. I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, you guys, so there is our little cake, and oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute, you guys. I absolutely love this cake. And again, each one is a little box to hold little goodies. So you can put a little goodie in there, and then these just close up just like this. Once you get now first when you put them together, they are a little stiff or a little hard to close, but once you keep putting the lid on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it off, it really conforms, and the lids slide on a little bit easier. Okay, so I just want to point that out. So so if you have this die or you get this die, don't be surprised if it's a little tough to place the lids on at first. Okay, so this here, now this one is a little tight for some reason. Mine is a little bit tighter, but that's okay, no worries. And you can put your little items inside for your little friend or whatever. I thought, you know, this would be a good little present for a crafty friend. And since we're doing a birthday celebration for Neha and Deb, I thought this was the perfect little item to share with you guys. So here's the last one. It's the bigger one. This lid just pops off just like this. So stinking cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this die, and I'm definitely going to make some more. So again, like I said, once you you know, put this together, it's a little tough getting the lids back on and off, but, and I'm just putting this lid on, just kind of, you just have to kind of go around it, you know, push everything together. Trying to do it on screen so you guys can see how I'm putting it together. You will even see in the video that the lady also kind of pushes her items inside of there, and then the lid just pops on just like that. Okay, so I hope that you guys like this little tutorial. Super cute, and I absolutely love this little cake. So stinking cute. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm not going to share with you what I'm going to put inside because it is a birthday surprise. So take care. Thank you so much, Debbie and Neha, for inviting me on your birthday celebration hub. I really had fun, and thank you all for joining me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out all of the channels listed down below, and the more you comment, the more you have a chance to win a prize. And don't forget to also listen to all the channels, because some channels are giving away a prize on their own, like I am giving away a prize too, an Amazon gift card. Also, on the 20th of November, head over to Debbie, Jay, and Neha's YouTube channels to find out who the lucky winners are of all the sponsors for this birthday celebration YouTube hop. Thanks again, y'all. Take care and have fun. Enjoy. Bye. Hey everybody, here's some photos of the beautiful birthday cake I made. Thank you all so much for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for future notifications on all upcoming hops and YouTube videos.